So good evening everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. I greet you according to your time. Today we are going to start from where we stop. App creator. This is your first time of coming to this channel. Please, this is the part 3 of this how to create a design mobile app. Please kindly go to our word, kindly enter our channel so that you can watch the previous video on how to become an app creator, how you can become creating mobile apps. This is just how to create a design mobile app. So I'm also going to teach you how to create gaming app. Now first we are going to our app creator. I will click on my app creator, allow it to load. Then once load, then I have to now log in to my app creator. I have to log into my app creator 24. I'll log in with my password, auto field. Now I'll click on accept that. It's just an and, okay. So I'll just click the and. See, now I've opened the app. Now this is the app I want to continue from where we stop. Remember the last time. Now if we can look at it now, it's not on English language, so I'll just scroll to the right side and I'll just put on English language. Now so I want to change this into from, it's not in English language, I want to change it into English language. I have to just come here like this. And once I come here, then I'll click. You see, I'll change it to the first one. Then it's loading. Then now see everything is in English language. So I'll click on the app I want to edit. Then I'll click on it. So here will come. Then from here now, I'll come here. You can see the last time I discussed this general with you, this design with you, this section with you. That was what we discussed last time. I think I stopped at this section with you. I will click on this. We'll click on section. I told you how you can add section with you. So today I'm going to teach you how you can add office. I'll click on office. You can see list. I'll just click on list. I'll click on what? I'll just click on list. I'll click on I'll click on this list here. Once I click on it, open it. You can see it. I'll just click on list. This list here, I'll just click on it. Okay. Sorry, I'm having my mouse here is misbehaving. So from there we like. Now here, so I'll click on this list. You can see other. If I click on this list, other office. Once you click on office, it will open. Then you click on list. You can see new office. Then under this new office, then I can now add the details of my office. That's why when you open some app, you see the details, their office, where they are located. This is where you add it. If you have a phone number, you want to display there like helpline, maybe okay for any question or help. You can put your number, then your business hour, there's your email. All those one will appear under the app. So you can just put them here, anything you want to put, okay? So you can just fill all the details here, your title and the rest. If you have a website, you can put it here. If you have a YouTube channel, you can put it there. Then you can give an image that will represent your office. You can snap your office, or you can screenshot your app to be your what? To be your office image or icon. Okay? After then you save. Then that's how you are done with the list. If you want to add more options, then you can clean up all these options. You can add more what? You can add more offices. Now after this one now, you can change the color of that's the office. That's this detail now. Which color you want the color of when somebody click on your office? You want the color to be different from other main color of the app. So here you add it. If you put on same, if you come here and I see it's on same as general. If you click on it now, it's on same as general. So if you want to, if you want to change from same as general, just click on it. You can see that you can select it is black. You want, then you can select black. You see it now, but then you are done. Then you now go to conservation. Then you click on conservation. Then you can see till no user has set to any chart. Now from here now, If for example now, order this conservation, maybe somebody send a message to your business, order this conservation, this is where you see it. Like maybe somebody send a help message to help center, like you are the help center, your number, everything. So you see them order this conservation. Now if you are designing an app that sell for product, for selling of this, maybe you want to sell it this online, then you can come to this product here. Then when you click on this product here, then the next thing you go to management, you click on management. Then once you click on management, then here you can add the product like this app now, like Kogan, like Jumia. This is how they done. So just click on this product, then add your product here. Under this management, you just click on a new product. Then you add your product. I mean, you can new product you can upload from file. Once you just click on all the things you are selling, maybe you are selling shoes, so just upload the images here. Maybe example also you are also selling apart from shoe, you are selling bag. So you click on categories, you can create different categories. See, you can create different categories. You can say shoes, handbag, clothes. You understand? You create different category for your product. That is when you are designing an app to sell things online, like koga.com, like jumia.com. You understand what I'm trying to say? So alibaba.com. This is where you add your product at the rent. The other these options, so you click on options, so you can select if somebody want to buy your things online, should it be on naira or dollar. This is where you select the currency you want, so you can be able to manipulate and follow the English here. Okay, so that is that about this option. Then you can order this color. That's when you change the color. If you want each product to have different color, you change it. Then set notification. When you click on this set notification, adding me category management, like when somebody send the message and notification, so everything will appear what will appear here. Okay, then order this and when you click on this and, that's advert, adding me. First of all, before, like now, you can place an and on your app. Like as I'm using this app now, you can see this thing that is showing down here that I'm looking at now, this go global is an ad. So you can just click on this ad. Once you click on this ad, and the person, the developer of this app will earn some money. So you like Facebook now, you see people place ad, they pay them, Facebook get money on it. Like YouTube now, you're watching YouTube channel, they place ad. So that is it. So you can place ad on your on your app. So once people view your ad that is on your app, or when people click on the ad that is on your app, so you make money. And I mean, look at the first one now, you see we have ad banner. Alimi, we have different types of ad, of which I'm going to introduce you to. We have a interstitial ad, we have native ad. Alimi, we have a native ad, we have a in-chat ad. So those are the different types of ads you can place on your app to make money. Okay, of which of our next class, once you guys have done creating your app, I'm going to teach you how to place ad on your app. So this is where it is, and all you needed to create app on your ad. So after you are done, so you just click on one save, then that will save your changes for you. So if there's any question on my WhatsApp group, I will answer your questions. So WhatsApp group, if you want to join us on WhatsApp, just send me a message on WhatsApp +234 9036888908. So I can add you to my WhatsApp group so that you can join the coaching. I'll teach you to make money online. And so apart from creating app, I also teach people how to make money online. So don't be left out. Okay, thanks for watching. So you guys get through this app for those that are on WhatsApp. So go through everything. Then if there's any question, you meet me on WhatsApp, then we'll discuss. Bye for now.